Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the All India Institute of Medical Sciences at Kothipura in Bilaspur district. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has ruled out talks with Pakistan over the Kashmir issue. Law Minister Kiran Rijiju has said that the government is in discussion with the Election Commission to bring in major electoral reforms through amendments in the Representation of the People Act. India has rescued around 45 of its nationals trapped in fake job rackets in Myanmar. This was stated by External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Arindam Bagchi in a tweet. At the 36th National Games, services continued to dominate medals tally with 89 medals, followed by Haryana with 66 medals.